Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Posted for You, and this is a sweet little birthday card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Posted for You, and we're just going to use this happy birthday here. And I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 3/4. I'm going to come in with my basic gray ink, and then I have our stamp mounted on clear block G, and then I'm just going to put it here in the center just like that. Now that is all the stamping we are doing. This is a fairly simple card. So I'm going to go ahead and put some Stampin' Seal on here. And then I have a Peony Garden Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I'm just going to butt it up here, down here at the bottom, and then I'm going to put some adhesive on the back side. Then I have a piece of the silver foil sheets, and that is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. All right, and then we're going to take some more adhesive. And our card base is basic gray, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. All right, so just like that, let me go ahead and give it a good rub down from the back side. And then next I have the frosted epoxy droplets, and we're just going to use these clear ones here. And I'm going to put 2 down on each side. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple birthday card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!